Welcome to Mom Hacks and Tips, the podcast dedicated to supporting new moms. Today, we are diving into a topic that is so important but often overlooked: natural remedies for healing your vagina after birth. We're so grateful to have our expert, Dr. Evelyn Reed, back with us to guide us through this postpartum period. Welcome, Dr. Reed.
Thank you for having me back, Daniel. The postpartum healing journey is a vital one, and I'm happy to share some gentle, natural ways to support your body's recovery.
To start, what can a new mom typically expect in terms of soreness and healing after a vaginal birth?
It's completely normal to experience swelling, soreness, and tenderness in the perineal area, the area between the vagina and anus. This is true whether you had a tear or an episiotomy, or even if you didn't. The tissues have been through a marathon, and they need time to heal. This initial recovery phase usually lasts for a few weeks.
Let's get right into the remedies. What is the first and most simple thing a new mom can do to soothe that area?
The single most important tool in your immediate postpartum care kit is a peri bottle. It's a small squirt bottle that you fill with warm water and use to rinse the perineal area after you use the toilet. Instead of wiping with dry paper, which can be very irritating, you gently squirt the area clean and then pat it dry. This keeps the area clean and is incredibly soothing.
That's a great tip. What about something to help with swelling and pain like a sitz bath?
Sitz baths are wonderful for postpartum healing. It's a shadow bath that cleanses and soothes the perineum. You can use a special basin that fits over your toilet, or just sit in a few inches of warm water in your bathtub for 15 to 20 minutes a couple of times a day. Adding Epsom salts can help reduce swelling and ease discomfort.
I've heard other moms talk about pad sickles. Can you explain what those are and how to make them?
Pad sickles are a fantastic DIY remedy. You take a maternity pad, open it up, and spread a layer of alcohol-free witch hazel and pure aloe vera gel onto it. Then you fold it back up, put it in the freezer, and wear it like a regular pad. The cold provides immediate relief from swelling and pain, and the witch hazel is a natural astringent that helps reduce inflammation and soothe tissues.
Are there any herbal remedies that are safe and effective?
Certain herbs can be very beneficial. You can create an herbal sitz bath or compress by steeping herbs like calendula, comfrey, and lavender in hot water, straining the liquid, and then using it in your bath or soaking a clean cloth in it to apply to the area. These herbs have anti-inflammatory and healing properties. However, it is crucial to talk to your healthcare provider before using any herbs to ensure they are right for you.
This leads perfectly to our next segment. Finding reliable recipes and guides for these remedies can be a challenge. That's why I'm so excited to tell you about MyMiraclesPLAN.online. This amazing website has a whole section dedicated to postpartum care and natural recipes, giving you trusted information. You can also find expert articles and connect with other moms in the Parent Resources section. And don't forget to use the daily tracker to monitor your recovery progress. It's all free at MyMiraclePLAN.online. Dr. Reed, besides these hands-on remedies, how important is general rest and nutrition for vaginal healing?
It's foundational. You cannot heal properly if you are not resting. I know it's hard with a newborn, but accept help and sleep whenever the baby sleeps. A diet rich in protein, vitamin C, and zinc is also essential for tissue repair. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated, which aids in healing and can help prevent constipation, putting less strain on the perineal area.
Thank you so much, Dr. Reed. Could you summarize the most important takeaways for our new moms listening today?
Absolutely. Your postpartum toolkit should include a peri bottle for gentle cleansing, regular sitz baths for soothing relief, and pad sickles for managing pain and swelling. Above all, prioritize rest and good nutrition, and always communicate with your healthcare provider about your recovery.
That was incredibly helpful. Thank you again for joining us on Mom Hacks and Tips.
It was my absolute pleasure. Be gentle with yourselves, new mothers. Your bodies have done something incredible.
To all our listeners, be sure to visit MyMiraclePLAN.online to explore the resources we discussed. Join us next time for more essential tips for your motherhood journey.